We're new to YouTube, so we thought we'd take this opportunity to introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Greg.
I'm NJ.
We enjoy taking road trips whenever we can, either by car or on the Harley. We pack our suitcases or saddlebags and hit the road just enjoying the journey. So we named our channel Suitcases and Saddlebags. YouTube has always been our go-to when we were researching a trip. We would look for locations and roads we're planning to travel, and it has been a great resource for us. Searching YouTube, we have found places we had never thought about or never knew existed. Our goal is to post the roads we travel and sites we see, just in case it's useful to you if you are planning to travel that route. But more importantly, we would like to show God's majestic beauty as we travel. For years after each trip, our son would say, "Start a YouTube channel," and we would just laugh. So here we are, part-time YouTubers, and we have posted a few videos we hope you enjoy. Whether you want to travel that route or just see the route we traveled, we invite you to come along with us, and we hope you enjoy the ride. Get a little of that first.
We spent the afternoon in Fountain Hills, just watching the fountain, watching the ducks, and practicing recording, talking to our phone. It's not an easy task, but anyway, we had a wonderful time. Thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you for watching.